Hi guys, just a quick one. We're just going to show you some new decals we got. Normally we don't carry that much in the way of decals, but a new decal company called ASK has been doing some stuff that are Australian related. So we thought we'd show you these so that you get a good idea. The whole range is growing, so there's all sorts of other decal sheets in there. So if you keep an eye on our lists and things like that, but generally I'll only be doing Australian related stuff or something that I think might be of interest, especially if it's unique to some of the kits that are coming out. What I'll do is open up a couple. This is for the P40 Kitty Hawk Mark IV Pacific Battlefield RAF Part 3. Now they do it in 72nd scale and 48 scale. So that's the decal sheets there. There's about four I think choices of markings per kit. Per decal, and so far from what I've seen, very nice. The few reviews I've seen have been very good. The colours seem right. I think these have actually been checked through Australian sources, so there probably are experts out there that will know whether these are better, but from what I've been able to read and what I've been able to find, I think they're okay. So if you're looking to do a series of P40s with various different markings and everything else, then have a look at this. This is the 48 scale one of the version I was just saying. The decals are quite glossy. The sheet is quite good. They give you various choices of markings. They're all single decals, so you don't have to cut too much out of it. There's all the serials, all the roundels, all the rest of it from there. So that looks pretty cool. The colour is really good. I'm very impressed with the different colours that they've used, and it's all in register, so it looks really nice. They give you a nice little sheet all about it. So that's your placement sheet, so that tells you all about different schemes and colours and everything else. And on the back there's a couple of photos, and it tells you, that's just basically tells you what how to apply the decals. So there's that. And then you got the profiles on the front there. So these are quite nice. These will be on our website shortly, or they may even be up now. But I was pretty impressed with them. As I said, there may be experts out there that will come along and say, oh, this is not quite right or whatever. But I'm pretty sure these guys have spent a lot of time making sure, especially for the Australian subjects, that they get the colours and the styles right and everything else. So there's quite a few of Australian subjects in the range for the P40. So that's part 4 for the two of them. That's 72nd, 48th. They also do 3 squadron and things like that. So that's 72nd and 48th as well. So that's pretty cool. Again, that's for P40Es, and yeah, it looks like it's all P40Es. What else have we got? This is part 1 of the Australian Pacific, or the RAF Pacific Battlefield RAF Part 1. There you go. So various ones. I haven't seen that one before, so it's probably been around, but I've just never seen it before, so that's quite nice. A couple of different schemes in there. What else have we got? This is another one of the desert ones, again for 3 squadron, 72nd and 48th. Quite good colour work. They're pretty cool. What else have we got? Again, some more 48 scale. This is part 2 of that series. A bunch of them again there, so that's very nicely done. And this is part 4, so this is more the silver, for the silver P40. So there's 3 of them, and camouflage one there, both in 72nd, 48. So these are, as I said, these are quite nice. They look all right to me. I've been happy with what I've seen so far. So if you're looking for some Australians for P40, these guys are going to do a lot more. I believe they've got plans to do Spitfires and all sorts of weird and wonderful things. Pricing wise, they're pretty good. As I said, usually 4 choices of markings on for each decal sheet. So if you're looking for these, come and see us, drop on a line, go from there. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.